every night, how we paradise seems so far away. Still try to buy.
The car, you like it? Is it nice? You want us to go out today? Come, let's pass here. You see, there is a car coming. Hold my hand. Where are we going? To the park? Guys, Caleb does not want us to go home. So we are just walking around. See him there. Awesome. Catch you. Where are we going? Yeah, the car. Yeah, the car. Yes, the car. Yeah.
No, red.
Red. Yeah, red car. Hey, my baby.
Red.
That's black car. This one is black, right?
Yeah, too.
Let's go to the room so that I will pick the card so that I can pay. Okay? Right?
Red.
Yeah, car.
Shoot his daddy.
He's not even listening to me. I think his plan is for us to go to the store so that we just go and shop. But it's not going to happen. I'll grab him by force. By fire. Caleb's plan is to go to the store and remove what he wants to remove. Meanwhile, I don't have my card. I left it because it's in my school bag. So if I go to the store, I can't pay. So I have to just grab him and go home. Let's enter the park. Do you want us to go to the park?
No.
Where are you going? To the store?
No.
So where are you going? If no, then where? Where are you? Catch you. I will catch you. It will carry you. Yeah, it will catch you. The wind will catch you. Catch you. Guys, I'll try and grab him and then we go upstairs because I'm tired. We need to go home. How can I just drive and park home and then now we are walking? We just want to be outside. Red, yeah, red car. Catch you again. Oh, Caleb is scared. Caleb is scared. Let's go. Oh my God, guys, look at my stomach. And this boy is making me go through this. I have to call my husband.
A place to go. Sunlight dances through the window. Lazy hay.
At this special meal. Yeah, I'm videoing you. Wow. See, mommy is videoing you, right? What are you doing? You are
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
You are cleaning for mommy. That's good. Thank you. Wow.
Say what you wanna say to me now.
Baby's a good boy.
Wake up with you. Something fake to me now. I wanna wake up with
Wow. Are you happy helping mommy?
Let me float around.
My boy.
Eyes closed, eyes closed. Like we're dreaming even when we're not.
Because he has noticed that his mommy is cleaning, so he also wants to help and clean. My baby is so helpful. My baby is so helpful. Thank you, darling. My sweetheart. Thank you, baby. Are you cleaning everywhere?
Yeah. Sitting right. I think this ready. Daddy.
Okay, you're cleaning for daddy. That's good. Daddy will be happy, okay? Yeah. I should call daddy and tell daddy.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll tell daddy that you are cleaning his table for him, okay? Daddy is having office hours now, okay? You're happy to have your toys back? Aww. So that one has been there more than a week now.
Mommy,
Yes, my love.
look.
Yeah.
Shoes are in the
Yeah. Cones. That's cone toy. Right?
Aki.
Yeah, so nice.
Aki.
Ice cream. What are you doing?
Fish.
This boy is smart. Oh. Ice cream. So I'm done cleaning everywhere. But I still have with the couch. I have to clean the couch because Caleb has stained it. He stained it. Yum yum. This is goodness, guys. My baby is a doctor. Caleb like practicing. Like he like checking me. He will just.
Okay, a chicken bigger now.
Leave me alone.
Oh.
Abba, Caleb.
Ho ho ho. Ow away.
At this time, you're singing Christmas song.
I got you away. I got
You're late. Sorry. That's why you need to wear your slippers, eh? Goodness. Hey, my baby, what are you doing here? Please give my banana to me, please.
No, mine. Wow, a baby.
Yeah, I'm coming to cook, okay? Pepper.
Laying low, no place to go. Sunlight dances through the window. Lazy haze filled up the room.
I'm adding my indomie.
Every night I we paradise, paradise. light seems so far away. Still I try to buy.
This is the food I'm craving for, so I have to make it. It just came to me. I was just there and I said, I feel like taking vegetable indomie. So that's what I'm doing. So I cook, is this one that I cook? Is this one? Yeah. This is the type I cook. And I like the chicken flavor. Sometimes Hobby will buy the beef flavor, but this time I said I want the chicken flavor. I've got my eggs that I'll eat with it. Yeah. And my baby is also eating his egg. I did small scrambled eggs for him. If you look at my husband can cook these noodles without adding anything to it. But me, I can't eat it like that. I have to add vegetables to it. Even spaghetti, normal spaghetti, if I cook, I have to add vegetables. That type of indomie. So, back home in Ghana, I used to eat a lot of that.
Goodness. George, no idea. Yeah. Oh, now.
See? Yeah. So guys, I'm done with the food, my baby boy food and my own.
Soup no me.
Yeah, yesterday. Yeah.
Guys, this is also mine. I'm done with my food. So this is the TZ. You can see it. So everybody eat what they want. Yeah. Slow the soup.
Yeah, what do I like the comments? See, I just cleared this place.
Well, clear spoon now, but 2 hours.
That's why, I've not been seeing most of the spoons.
Yeah,
so it's
put there somewhere. I was searching for there and I came and saw some. I don't know whether.
And see the water that is in the fridge. See, he has just removed all the water inside here.
Now this one. Can I take some?
So this killer's food.
Can I take some?
So this is the scramble that he was eating.
Okay, give me some. Put the other thing over.
Oh, so sweet. When you want to do you say, brother, and maybe bone in Bosu. See, these days, yes, I know. These days, Caleb has been seizing my food these days. He will just, I will serve him, but he will just see this particular bowl and he wants to exchange or maybe collect it. Because he was just looking at my phone. I said, please don't come for my bowl. Hello guys, welcome back again. So this today is Sunday evening. The weekend is over. Yeah, tomorrow is a new week. Normally I always do this for my boy because early in the morning it's like we are in the military field. We rush. We just do things fast. So if I don't do this every Sunday night or Sunday evening, some people will say, what are you talking about? What are you talking about? This is what I'm talking about. He used to have this one. Yeah, this one. But this one, he will still be using it though. But because tomorrow is a new week, I want him to start with a new bag. It's so cute. So wipes and diaper inside the bag. That is it. And sometimes the wipes, this wipe will be in the bag for 2 weeks, 3 weeks. They will not even remove it. So the only thing they will do is sometimes they will remove 3 of this diaper, or sometimes he will come home and it's still full. So let's pack this together, okay? I also want to see if it will fit inside. If it doesn't, then I'll switch it to the big one. So let's do it. It has a lot of compartments. It has side pockets, it has zip here, and it has a big zip here too. So first of all, I put the whoa, it has fixed. So then I remove. So normally we pack 4. Normally we pack 4 diapers. Yeah, 4 diapers inside. So because this one, the inner one is kind of small, I have to fold it like this.
Mommy,
Yes.
oh, school bag.
Yeah, your school bag. That's the old one. My boy is showing me the mommy because he have seen that his old bag. Kelly, you are not wearing it. So don't come here. So I'm done. I only have only one here. You still have one up there. Oh god, the thing is cute. I was thinking it's small, but the diaper, the wipes, the wipe and the diapers has fit perfectly. Let me show you. So that's this one. And this is his water bottle. I want to try it and see if the water bottle will fit the side pocket and see. Okay, it's come.
Go and wear your diaper. I'll use your bill now.
So my baby school bag is ready. Yeah, I was thinking the side pocket is small, but it's not. I love it. It's so cute. And he will love it. Yeah. You like your bag now?
No.
Okay. If you don't like it, I'll give it to somebody, okay? It's not by force. So my boy, his daddy has showered him. I need to rush and then get him. He has to wear his diaper and get his pajamas on, because this boy, if you leave him, he will just be hanging around. By the time you realize, he will just be peeing all over. So I'll talk to you guys later.